Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install CoverWallet to get general liability quote beginner guide step by step clearly. To install CoverWallet for a general liability quote, first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type CoverWallet and press enter. Locate the official CoverWallet website from the search results. Click on the link to the CoverWallet homepage. On the homepage, look for a button that says Get a Quote or Get Started and click on it. You will be directed to a new page with options for different types of insurance. Select General Liability Insurance from the list provided. Follow the prompts to enter your business information. This may include your business name, address, and type of business. Be precise with your entries to ensure accurate quotes. After filling out the required fields, click on the option to continue or next. You may be asked to provide additional details about your business operations. Answer all questions truthfully and thoroughly. Once you've completed all input fields, submit your information. After submission, you may receive real-time quotes based on the details provided. Review the quotes and coverage options carefully. Select the quote that best fits your business needs. Follow any prompts to finalize your selection. You may need to create an account if you wish to proceed with the purchase. If prompted, enter your email and create a password. Once your account is set up, you will be able to review your selected coverage. Confirm your purchase and follow any further instructions to complete the process. You will then receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed CoverWallet and obtained your general liability quote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.